Eggshells. More eggshells. And more eggshells under here, people. I have a lot of eggshells. Oh, wow. Ew. Hello again, my peeps. Welcome back to another video. As y'all just saw, I was grabbing all of the eggshells that I have saved for a few weeks now, and they were in just some random places. In this video, I am going to be making a drying rack where I can save all my eggshells while they're being dry. Now, what am I going to be using to make this drying rack? Let's get into that right now. Y'all see these two pieces of crates over there? That's exactly what I'm going to be using today. And I'm also going to be using this piece of mesh that I took off the old window frame, I believe, in one of my recent videos. And I will also be using some, let me see if I can grab them out of my bag. All right, so I have some watermelon in that for hydration. I ate all of it. Now this is my water bottle. All right, I have scissors. I'm going to use the scissors. And yeah, here are my zip ties. I might probably use the smaller zip ties, maybe. Yeah, I think that's all I'm going to be needing for now. So let's start working and have my eggshells in one place, because I'm gonna have to use them really soon. Alright. Which one am I gonna use first? I think this one. Yeah. So you might be asking the question, why didn't I just put the eggshells in the basket just like this? I tried it once, and the eggshells, after they dry and I was picking them up, they started to fall through the holes right here. So I am just going to add a piece of the mesh at the bottom, but I have to cut it first. So let me go ahead and cut it, and then I'm going to use the zip tie to add it to the bottom or the sides. You know, I'm not sure I'm gonna do this. You know what, let me just figure out something while I am working with you guys so y'all can see what I'm doing. All right, peeps, so initially I said I was going to cut the piece of mesh, but I am not going to cut it. I am just going to sink it down in the basket like this. And then I'm going to use the zip ties to hold it in place. To hold it. I'm going to be doing the corners first. And then whatever is left off, I will just clip it off. And then I'm going to come back and finish it up with the other basket. And I'm also not going to be using these big zip ties. I'm going to be using some smaller ones. Yeah, let me use these smaller ones. All right, so let's get these zip ties on. guys, so as you all saw, I use the small zip ties to attach the piece of mesh to the bottom section of the crate, and then I use the bigger zip ties to attach this other piece of crate to the top so I can cover this down. Now I have a hole here because a piece of the crate was broken, but I don't think that should be a problem. If you guys have any suggestions and or ideas that I can use to fix here, please feel free to go ahead and mention it down below. And I also have an opening in the back section right here, and as you all saw, I put 4 little zip ties on in the bottom to keep the mesh attached. All right, so let's get these eggshells in the dryer now. So these are already crushed. I'm just going to go ahead and add them in my compost. All right, now my peeps, my drying rack is now on top of my compost bin. So when the eggshells are fully dried, I will just take some out and add it to the compost bin beneath. All right, so I think these black ones in here, they're all ready to be taken out because they have been in that container for quite some time now. And all of these eggshells, they were properly washed with hot water before I put them in each one of the bags and the containers that they were in. I might have to remove this thing, you know. This thing is kind of preventing this from opening up. So there you have it, my peeps. I'm going to leave this here in the sun, so the sun will parch them more and cure them more, and when the rain comes, they will be washed again and again and again and again. And that's going to be it for today's video. So go ahead, comment down below, tell me what you think about this. I want to say my eggshell dryer, but if you harvest seeds and you need to air dry them, you can also use this system to dry them as well. All right, so thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.